CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I'm back with another interesting activity. You know what we are going to do today? Today we are going to make a beautiful, colorful fish. See how beautiful the fish is looking. And children, this is very easy to make. Okay, but before starting the activity, I want to tell you some fun facts about fish. As you all know, fish is a water animals. And you know how fish breathe? Fish breathe through her gills. And children, you know something? Fish can't smell, hear, see or taste water. Yes, and you know what does she like to eat? Fish loves to eat insects, small water birds and other fish, turtles. She enjoys this yummy food. And you know what? Fish sleep with their eyes open as she doesn't have eyelids. And children, there is a fish called goldfish. You know, goldfish can live up to 15 years if she is kept in clean water, healthy environment. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed these fun facts about fish. So now, let's start with the activity. For making this paper fish, we need two colorful sheets. They can be of any color of your choice. A marker, a pencil, a scissor and a Fevistick. Okay, so let's start the activity. First, I'm taking this yellow sheet and what I'm going to do, this is a rectangular sheet and I need to make a square out of it. So, I'm going to fold it like this. See, I have made a triangle like this and now I'm going to fold this sheet like this. See children, now I'm going to cut this portion. See, our square is ready. Now what we are supposed to do, now we are going to fold this sheet like this. See, like this, give a fold to the sheet and now turn the paper, again give it a fold, keep continuing giving the fold till we have reached the end. See what I have made. Now take a scissor. Don't use scissor on your own. Take help of your mama whenever we need to do any work with scissor. Now cut a little bit of paper from this side to make this sides equal and similarly from this side also. Now give this a half fold. See, give a fold like this. Now I'm going to keep it aside and now I'm going to take red color sheet. See, this is a rectangular sheet and first of all I'm going to fold this sheet into half. I'm going to cut this. See, we are going to use only half sheet and again this is a rectangular sheet. I need to make a square out of from this. That's why I'm again going to give it a fold as I gave it in yellow color sheet. Now I have given a fold here. Now I'm going to make another fold like this and I'm going to cut this portion. See, we have made a small square out of this, and now again we are going to fold it similarly. We folded this yellow sheet. So I'm going to start folding the sheet till it reaches the end. Again, I'm going to cut the ends from here. I'm going to give it a fold like this. See? And now what we are supposed to do, we are going to paste these paper. We are going to paste this paper. So I'm taking some Fevistick and I will apply some Fevistick over here. See, this small portion is going to act as a tail of my fish, and this yellow portion is the body of the fish. And again we are going to stick it. We are going to apply some Fevistick over here, but remember, don't paste this end. Don't paste this end. Just apply the Feviglue or Fevistick till this portion. See, we are going to open it like this, and I didn't stick this portion. Now I'm going to put some Fevistick over here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this like this over here. See how it is looking? This is the body of my fish and this is its tail. So just press it tightly. Okay, so our fish is ready. Now her eyes and fins are missing. I'm going to make the fins now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this small sheet and I'm going to draw a fin over here. I'm going to show you what I've made. See children, I have made a fin on this red sheet, and now I'm going to cut it. See, this is one fin, and now I'm going to make another fin, but it will be smaller in size. So I'm going to take yellow color. See, like this I have drawn the fin, and now I'm going to cut it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to paste it like this. I'm going to paste it like this. So I'm applying some Fevistick on this yellow sheet, and and I'm going to paste this smaller fin on the big fin like this. And what I'm going to do now, I will stick this fin over here like this. Apply some fabric like this and paste it like this. And where's the eye? I have already made an eye for the fish and I'm going to stick it on the face of the fish. See children, our fish is ready. See how beautiful she is looking. You can take any color of your choice. And now I have already created a underwater scene. See, you can also create such scene with the help of crayons or paints, anything. And I have made this sheet and now I am going to paste my fish on the sheet. See, I have created a underwater scene. And now I'm going to paste this also. You can also use Fevicol instead of Fevistick for sticking. So children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. You all can create this beautiful underwater scene and you can share the picture on school numbers also. Thank you.